Let's go see what $100 can get us at Aldi's.
You comfy?
Put this back in. You your quarterback after you're done with the work.
Missing a few things, so I had to come to Walmart. But they're missing stuff too.